Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. Today's idiom is, when it rains, it pours. When you use it, you can also use it like, it never rains, does it? It pours. Or, it never rains, it pours. Different ways of using it. What do you mean by pours? Pour means to rain very heavily. Heavy rain is called a pour, a downpour. Some people also say they chuck it down. It's raining heavily, they are chucking it down. They means the people upstairs in the heavens. Chuck means to throw something with great force. So it rains so heavily, you feel that force on you, it means they are chucking it down. But what has that got to do with this idiom? Pours, to rain heavily. Rain means a lot of water falling down continuously, but a lot of water, more than a lot of water. Pours. It means if something good happens, a lot of them happen together in a short span of time. If something bad happens, again a lot of them happen in a very short period of time. Let's look at one example. Before the Wuhan virus struck, the businesses in India had it good. Had it good means they were doing very good business, they were making lots of profits, it was good all over. But once the Wuhan virus struck, the businesses started losing everything. A lot of them had to shut down. And today, it's like practically a dead hole, Indian business. They're going very bad. You know, as they say, when it rains, it pours. Bad things started raining. No, it didn't rain. It poured. Businesses, most of the businesses are dead. Big business houses are kind of struggling to keep up, except for some sectors. When it rains, it pours. Let's take a good example here. Ravi was losing all his money. He was living off his savings. He didn't have enough money to pay his bills. And then he got a job. You know, as they say, when it rains, it pours. He got a job. His salary was enough to pay not just his bills and also to get some savings. And he could also travel all over India. That was an added bonus. And he could also propose to his girlfriend. So, when it rains, it pours. He got a lot of good things going for him once he got the job. Alright, here's another one. The company was planning to shut down our department. But you know what? When it rains, it pours. We got 5 new projects, 3 new interns, lots of money. Hey, we're all happy. When it rains, it pours. It poured. We got all these things. I can say, but it never rains, does it? It pours. Let's take one more example. When the project was shelved, our department was shut down, we lost our jobs, my wife divorced me. It never rains, does it? It pours. Bad things, all bad things happen together in a short span of time. When it rains, it pours. It's a very commonly usable idiom. You'll find lots of situations like this around you. Use this idiom to explain that situation, to depict that situation. Own it. That'll make your vocabulary and your English stronger, that much stronger. When it rains, it pours. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.